Hello, let me introduce our company. Our company is LEEM Pro Audio, based in Korea. We have 37 years of history, and this time we introduce our compact sound installation system, which is C series. So we have a C2, C3, C4, C5. It's now missing C6, and it's very compact and small, and it's very suitable for bar and restaurant, cafe, and you can't really find these kind of items at this moment in this market. And we have a really good price and good quality, all of manufactured in Korea. So you can come to our booth, 15 D242, to listen to the sound. Thank you very much. And also our website, you can visit our website, www.leem.co.kr. Thank you very much.